Imagine a camera that doesn't just take photos or shoot videos, but actually changes the way creators think about hybrid shooting. Sounds dramatic, right? Well, that's exactly the kind of buzz surrounding the upcoming Sony A7V for months. Photographers, filmmakers, and YouTubers like you and me have been asking the same question. Is this the camera that redefines Sony's Alpha lineup? Or is it just another case of hype outpacing reality? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in tech and creative gear. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony A7V, arguably one of the most anticipated full-frame mirrorless cameras in recent memory. From rumored specs to pricing details, build quality, and how it stacks up in a fiercely competitive market. I'll give you the insights you need to decide whether you should hold off your next upgrade or stick with proven models already available. Let's start with the topic that makes everyone a little nervous: the price. Early whispers suggest the Sony A7V could debut around $2,799 in the US, about $3,400 in Europe, and close to $4,000 CAD in Canada. That's no small chunk of change. To put it in perspective, that's higher than the A7 IV's launch price and way above the beloved A7 III, which entered the market at just $1,999. At this rate, you're basically choosing between a camera and a really nice used car. But here's the thing. Sony has never been shy about charging a premium if the tech delivers. And if this camera actually merges pro-level power with enthusiast-friendly usability, that price tag might sting a little less. Now, here's where things get really exciting: the specs. The A7V is rumored to pack a 44-megapixel BSI sensor, not stacked like the Alpha one, but powerful enough to hit that sweet spot between the A7 IV's 33 megapixels and the ultra-high resolution. A 7R series, translation? Enough detail for serious stills, but without the massive file sizes that clog up your hard drive faster than a Netflix binge night. Pair that with the Bian's XR processor and a dedicated AI processing chip, and autofocus could be the real star of the show. Think smarter subject recognition, faster real-time tracking, and fewer missed shots when your dog decides to sprint out of frame mid-shoot. Rumors also point to 20 FPS burst shooting, 4K raw video output, and improved low-light performance features that could tempt both sports shooters and filmmakers alike. Of course, no one wants a $3,000 camera that overheats halfway through a wedding shoot. Sony seems to know that. Reports suggest the A7V might borrow some design elements from the flagship A1, including improved thermal management and a sturdier body. Add in a higher resolution EVF, a fully articulating LCD screen. Yes, vloggers, you can stop carrying. Mirrors dual card slots with SFexpress, Type-A, and SD, plus up to 8 stops of in-body stabilization. And suddenly handheld shooting doesn't feel like you're filming during an earthquake. If Sony delivers on these areas, this could be one of their most reliable hybrids yet. But here's the catch. The competition is fiercer than ever. The Nikon Z6 II offers excellent performance at a friendlier price. The Canon R6 Mark II is beloved by filmmakers for its color science, and the Panasonic S5 IIX is basically the indie filmmaker's dream machine. Sony's challenge is tricky. If the A7V over-delivers, it risks stepping on the toes of the Alpha 1 and A7R lineup. If it under-delivers, creators may start peeking over the fence at Canon, Nikon, or Panasonic. Still, no top LCD panel from Sony, Canon, and Nikon fans. You may laugh now. So who is this camera really for? Well, where Sony shines is in creating cameras that are true hybrids. The A7V looks like it could continue that tradition.